Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add plugins on Hostinger in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to managing websites or you just want to boost your site's features, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. So yeah, let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and go to Hostinger's website. At the top right corner, click the login button and enter your email and password. Once you log in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard, the main control center for all your website tasks. From the dashboard, head over to the home section. Then find the manage button next to the website you want to work on. Click manage to open the backend settings for that site. In the management interface, look at the left menu and click on files. Under this section, choose File Manager. This will let you access all of your website's files directly. Inside File Manager, you'll see a list of domains. Click on the one that matches your website. In our example, it's jdia.store, but yours will be different. This folder contains all of your site's critical files. Now, dig into the directory tree until you find the folder labeled Plugins. This is where all your plugin files live. To install a new plugin, just drag and drop the plugin file into this folder. Once uploaded, it becomes available for your website to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a plugin on Hostinger. Pretty straightforward, right? Remember, plugins are powerful tools, so pick the ones that really add value to your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick website tutorials.